back to my channel. Finally got some warm weather, so I decided I was gonna work on this T-Boss again. Doing an update to the headlights, so they're installed, and I did this on my overview of the T-Boss. So all the upgrades I did, installed these headlights that I got on Amazon, $25 for this set. Wired them all up and they work, with the exception that they're wobbly in there, so I needed the screw to adjust them and secure them into place, and I ordered adjusting screw on the Massimo website for the headlights, so I'm hoping it's all I need to do this. So I figured I'd do a video. I'm gonna show you how to take off the whole headlight assembly. I'll take off the headlight, and hopefully these parts are all I need. Put it back together and it'll be done. But you know, hopefully. Let's get at it. So back here, this is your headlight assembly right here. This is the factory headlight. There's the one I installed, and there's screws. There's a screw here, screw here, screw you can't see way up in there. All around this there's a bunch of screws, and some of them are a little bit difficult to get to, but not too bad. You take those screws out, this whole thing will come off, and then we can get to this headlight, and then we can see if, because that's the part I got right there for over here. So hopefully it's all I need. And to take these off, I just use a Phillips screwdriver, just like the most of the stuff on here. It's all Phillips screwdriver, same bolt, screws and bolts they use through the whole thing. Let me go get a screwdriver and we'll get at it. Okay, got my screwdriver. Let's get back at it. This one. Assembly off. Here's my other light bulb, and I gotta get it in there. These are the screws that it came with the kit. It came with these, and they go on the bottom here. But this is supposed to have, like, this has a square housing around it, and it's got this, and these screw into here and hold the whole thing in. So I don't have that for this, so I'm gonna have to make something. Hopefully it will work. Okay, so this is what I rigged up. I got this piece of flexible plastic I cut out a hole so it fits over the light bulb. It attaches to the back of this light bulb here, and I screw it into here, so that keeps this pretty stable. So hopefully that'll work out. Best I could do with what I had. So should be pretty good though. And then I just got to do it to the other side over there, and that'll be it. And now I'm just bolting it back up, and then we'll go do the other side. Here's what it looks like in front though. You see that pretty stable. So that worked out pretty good.